امبارح انا كنت حاطه ستوري او اول لخلود فبقولها ماي مايند
Oh my God.
Don't forget to turn on captions. Of course, what she said is completely incorrect. In this video, we will talk about pronouns and how to use them. This video will be part 1. Let's start with subject pronouns. Let's begin with he. He, we use it for a male that is not here with us. Like, he is a man. She, we use it for a female that is not here with us. Like, she is a woman. It, we use it for an animal or an object. Like, it is a cat. Next we have I, when I want to speak about myself. Like, I am a teacher. You, when I speak about someone that is in front of me. Like, you are a doctor. We, when I talk about a group I'm in. Like, we are a family. They, when I talk about a group that I'm not included in. Like, they are a team. Well, this is the first part of pronouns. Stay tuned for next one when we explain together other types of pronouns. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.